Once again.
Hi guys, it's me again. What's up, wagwan? What a little piece of hair you do, so. Alright, stay this up. So guys, I know I do a lot of video with these clothes on, but guys, you know this name guess it's expensive. So yes, I'm gonna show it off. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. I do my makeup and my hair, and you know what? I'm doing like 3, 4, 5 videos at once. All right, guys. So I'm back again. Now, I went to Jamaica. Is it last month? I came back last month because it's still December. I think this video will be up in January. Okay. So I always want one of these sneakers. I always want one. My son has one and he bought it in the States and it's like 100 and a lot. I don't know how much. No, when I went to Jamaica and I went to the market, they have some people in the arcade that they sell stuff. They have their little side stall and they're selling shoes and clothes on the street side. So I went to try on these shoes or sneakers I'm gonna show you guys. You know, see a street side and them have to pack up all the time and unpack. So my box kind of rough up because I have it over my daughter wrote on it. It come like all a food or one. I don't know what they put it or a gum me put on it. But the box is the box. I'm gonna show you the shoes inside because I haven't worn it yet. I don't want to unbox it with you. Alright guys, I'll do a box rough up and turn and I did try on it. I'm gonna unbox it with you because I always want one of this. Are you ready for it, guys? I talk a lot. Yes, I talk a lot because I want you to see my beautiful face and my makeup I did. Yes. All right. Too much long talking. This will be, it's supposed to be my birthday gift from October. All right. My son gave me $50 and he said, Mommy, make up and buy one because I always said I want one. Here in Canada, they are like 120, 140. But in Jamaica, guys, before I show you, I'm going to tell you the price after because you can't believe it. You cannot believe it. All right. This is my Nike Air Force One. Can you see the box? How the pitney do it? Mark it up. She write white and all type of something. Anyhow, let's unbox it. The box kind of rough up because you know, see a Jamaica it come from a far away travel this you have to come to Canada. But this supposed to be my birthday gift. Why so dark? This supposed to be my birthday gift and I didn't unbox it. It's where they? It's size 9. No, it's size 8. Sorry. It must be men 8. And look at it, guys. Look at what inside. Forget about the box. Yes, forget about the box, guys. That's what inside. Yes. I waited long and the box kind of rough up a little bit, but that's okay. So this is it. Oh, I am loving it. I love it, guys. Look at it. There it is. Focus so you can see. It has the cardboard in it, guys, to keep it nice and firm. So when I'm ready to wear it, ooh, I'm gonna wear this with a ripped jeans. Yes. Oh, and you can wear with this one too. Oh, this gets top and a ripped jeans. Nike and Guess, yeah, it can work. I love it, guys, and I'm talking a lot, so I'm gonna get off here right now because I have about 1 or 2 more videos to do. So this is it, my Nike Air Force One. I love it. I gotta bring it on my shoulder. Love upon me, and I oh, it's a string. Go around this a string. String up spoil me thing. These are my babies. almost forgot. I didn't tell you what the price at. Oh my goodness, what's wrong with you, girl, Tiona? Okay, guys, so in Jamaica, they were selling for 6,000 or 6,500, I think, and I paid $6,000 for this. Because you know, in Jamaica, you can't talk with people, they might take off 1,500. You gotta ball them down and tell them, say, Lord God, me no have no money, me just go to supermarket. And in one look at money me have no, me I spend now, so me really want the shoes, you know. But why me no have no more money? You can't give me it now, or me I go way back, but you go lose the 6,000, or you go lose the 5,500 or 6,500. Why you can't just take off 5 and me get the shoes? Because me really want it. Me desperate. And me dream and my birthday gift. And my life savings upon this. Alright guys, bye. It was just $6,000 in Jamaica compared to $120 plus tax here. And in Jamaica, on the street side, when you buy it like this, you just give them $6,000 cash Jamaican. No need for no tax around here unless you buy it in the store. And 6,000 no tax. And in Canada, that's like $60. So I got it for half price in Jamaica. So guys, things in Jamaica, cheap too, okay? Not here. You have to buy it here when it's on sale. If it's not on sale, save your money. All right? Love upon me, and I love upon you.